What if you could clear your mind of stress, overthinking, and mental clutter in just a few minutes a day? Sounds impossible, right? Well, there's a simple technique called thought subtraction that can help you do exactly that. Stick around because in the next 7 or 8 minutes, I'll show you how to let go of unhelpful thoughts and find peace in that present moment. Hello, everybody. This is Crypto Billy, and welcome to Billy Go Tales and our Motivational Mindset Series. This is where we explore practical ways to live a calmer, more focused life. And today, we're diving into thought subtraction, a mindfulness based technique that's all about letting go of thoughts that don't serve you. Unlike overanalyzing or fighting your thoughts, thought subtraction is about gently releasing them to create mental space. Think of it like decluttering your mind, just like you would declutter your desk or your locker or your bedroom. So let's break it down. Thought subtraction is a practice that is rooted in mindfulness, where you acknowledge a thought, whether it's stress or worry or self doubt, and then you consciously choose to let it go without getting caught up in it. The goal isn't to suppress or ignore the thought, but to notice them and then release them like letting a leaf float down a stream, nice and gently. And here's why it matters. Our minds are often overloaded with repetitive or negative thoughts. Studies show that we have up to 60,000 thoughts a day, and many of them are unhelpful or they're just automatic. So they can be just automatic thoughts that are very unhelpful. Thought subtraction helps you simplify your mental landscape, making room for clarity, creativity, and calmness. It's not about adding new ideas or affirmations. It's about subtracting out all the noise. Ready to try it? Here's what we got to do. Here's 3 simple steps that can help you practice this and process this right now. And also, you can do this anywhere in a quiet room or on a walk or even during a stressful moment. You can do this. First thing, you got to recognize the thought. Notice the thought. Close your eyes or kind of soften your gaze. When a thought pops up, like, I'm not good enough, or what if I fail? Just notice it without any judgment. Don't try to argue with it or push it away. Just recognize it, acknowledge it. Just say to yourself, there's that thought. Now, step 2, label it. You have to acknowledge and then label it. Give the thought a name like worry or planning. This helps you see it just as it is. For example, if you're stressing about a work deadline, let's say, you might say, this is a worry thought, right? Because you're stressing about a work deadline. And if you could put it in a folder and label it, you would label it worry or stress, right? So you get to choose the label. Now, once you do that, you have to let it go. Visualize the thought just drifting away like a cloud passing in the sky or a balloon just floating off into the air, into the sky. You're not forcing it out. You're just choosing not to hold on to it. If it comes back, that's okay. Repeat that process. So we're using visualization, we're acknowledging it, we're labeling it, and then we're allowing it to drift away in our heads and our minds. So let's try this together, guys. Let's try this together for 30 seconds. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and notice any thoughts that come up. Label them, then imagine them floating away. How did that feel? Take your time, but you have to visualize it. You have to see it. So, what's the benefit? So, why would we do this? Why make thought subtraction a habit? Well, first, it reduces mental overwhelming. By letting go of unhelpful thoughts, you free up your energy for what really matters, whether it's problem solving, being present with loved ones, or just enjoying the moment. Second, it can lower your stress and it can lower anxiety. Research on mindfulness shows that practices like this one can reduce cortisol. It can help you feel better. It can help you feel calmer. It works. And third, it boosts your focus. When you're not tangled in mental clutter, you can zero in on any task at hand. I've been practicing thought subtraction for a few years now, and I've noticed I'm less caught up in overthinking, especially before bed. It's like giving my brain a mini vacation. So let me give you 3 quick tips to make it work for you. Number one, try it for 1 or 2 minutes a day, maybe during your morning routine or your evening routine going to bed. Number two, be patient. Your mind will wander all around, and that is perfectly normal. Just gently bring it back and keep practicing. And number three, picture your thoughts as leaves on a stream or clouds in the sky to just letting them go. So when you're letting that thought go, literally, the way I do it is I see a leaf bobbing from left to right, falling from the tree, falling to the ground, and I just see that thought, say worry, and I'm watching it go to the ground, and I let that go. Or I picture it as a balloon, and I let go of the balloon, and I see the balloon just floating up into the air. That is thought subtraction. Get rid of it. Let it go. And it'll take you a few times to get the hang of this. Oh, and if you're struggling, try journaling first. Write down the thoughts that you want to subtract, then visualize crumpling that thing up on a piece of paper and tossing it away. Because that is another way you can do it. I say to start out, recommend use the leaf or the balloon in your mind. But when you get really fast at this, you can have that thought pop into your head and you can literally visualize yourself writing it down and then just crumpling it up and throwing it away. That's another good way to get rid of it. So that's a simple way to declutter your mind with thought subtraction. Try it out. Try it this week and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you've already tried something like this, let me know about that too. Share your experience. All right, guys. Hope this helps you stay decluttered. I hope this helps you in your mind and in your day. We love you. See you next time on Billy Goat Tales.
You can be tough.